The Luxury Home Tour is a great way to bring visibility to your firm. People enjoy visiting all the beautiful homes. Additionally, they are going online in advance to check out the homes to decide which they plan to visit or come back to after touring your home to learn more about you. Video is a great way to engage customers online. They linger over it. They may watch it several times and suggest it to friends. This is a chance to separate yourself from the competition and engage with new customers. You'll receive a 2-minute video presentation with professionally shot video, professional voice talent, and sound design. You will be interviewed on camera talking about the home you've designed and built and how you work with clients. Plus, you also have the opportunity to produce more than one video for use on your company website, YouTube, and elsewhere. This is a limited offer, so act now while there is still time and room in the schedule for you.